Today, let me show you the production process of our factory. Firstly, the sheet is cut by a cutting machine. Then the workers put the board into the edge banding machine for edge banding. Then the workers will conduct quality inspection on the boards. Through the drilling and slotting function of a 6-sided drill, make various required slots and holes on the board. The entire production process is standardized and orderly, high homework efficiency. Our factory adopts advanced production equipment and technology, ensure product quality and production efficiency. Our factory specializes in producing various specifications of changing cabinets. If you have customization needs, please feel free to contact us.